All right, Duff Mustangs. I'm going to read one of my favorite capstone ebooks with you today, and it's called Do Not Bring Your Dragon to the Library. Written by Julie Gassman. She is the author. She came up with the story and the characters and all the problems in this story. And then Andy Elkerton did all of the illustrations. He was the artist that drew all the pictures and made her words come to life. Let's get started. Do not bring your dragon to the library. When you visit the library, please keep in mind no running, no shouting. To all books be kind. But there's one rule that's bigger than the rest, and it must be followed by all of our guests. Do not bring your dragon to the library. A dragon is sometimes a very rude beast. At story time, he'll take up 10 spaces at least. A dragon's big bottom can pack a real punch. Each time he sits down, you'll hear a great crunch. Do not bring your dragon to the library. You may ask her to come to a library show, but trouble will start with the first song she knows. Her swaying hips will crowd your space with a dragon jig that has no grace. So do not bring your dragon to the library. Maybe you're thinking, don't worry, it's fine. There's plenty of space in that library of mine. Perhaps that's true, but he's sure to roam. Then you'll be wishing you had left him at home. So do not bring your dragon to the library. You see, aisles of books are hard to resist. She's sure to find sections that cannot be missed. As she starts to read, she could overexcite. And then chances are her flames will ignite. Tough Mustangs, when I turn this page, will you help me read the words? I bet you can do it, and I want you to say it as loud as you can. Ready? Here we go. So, do not bring your dragon to the library. I knew you could do it. Good job. I know what you're saying is true, but leaving him home will make me quite blue. It's my favorite place. Please listen to me. My dragon would love our library. She's thinking about it. Look at her face. She's like, can I trust him? And the dragon's thinking, please, 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 with sugar on top, let me in your library. Or that's what I'm thinking. Movies and computers and places to read, tales of heroes and adventure, of good and of greed. Cookbooks and bios. Oh, listen to my plea. May I please bring my dragon to the library? I'm afraid, my kind friend, I cannot agree. A dragon in the library? It simply can't be. But don't fret, don't frown. I have a solution. Listen now to my smart substitution. Your dragon should not miss the library treasures. Just bring home some books for her reading pleasure. If you use your card often, you will very soon see that you never have to bring your dragon to the library. You could bring the library to your dragon. That's a solution. How did you like that story? It's one of my favorites. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to read another one from the series, look in Capstone.